Hello everyone, my name is GEETHIKA. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in VBIT. I'm from CSC. My roll number is 522. In this session, I'm going to discuss about files versus DBMS. Let us see the topics. The topics here about DBMS and disadvantages in files with an example, and how to overcome those disadvantages with advantages of database compared to the files. Let us see what is DBMS first. Here, to see what is DBMS, let us know about data. What is data? It is a collection of facts which can be stored in computer systems or memory, or we can simply say a collection of raw materials. And the processed data is known as information. Next, come to database. What is database? It's a collection of interrelated data that is organized so that it can be easily accessed and managed and updated easily. Now, DBMS. DBMS means database management system. Here, the name itself, database management system, means database plus management system. It is nothing but it is a software that is used to manage database. Let us see an example. Let us see a scenario. To understand the need for DBMS, let us consider a scenario like a company has a large collection of data, say like 500 GBQ. In that we contain employees, departments, and products, sales, and so on, etc. All the data is contained in that memory. This data is accessed concurrently by several employees, and the queries about the data must be answered and the changes to the data by different users must be applied consistently, and access to the certain parts of the data users must be restricted, means no one can use as they will, and the data which is accessed by the like employees are must be fast and quick. Now let us see how the file systems approaches this. The system files approach has many drawbacks. We can say simply, we probably don't have 500 GB main memory to hold all the data. And we must store the data in a storage device like hard disk, tapes, magnetic disk, like this. And next, even if you have 500 GB of main memory, the computer systems with 32-bit addressing, we cannot access at a time 400 GB of data or more than 400 GB of data. We can access only less than 4 GB of data. We have to write special programs to access these 4 GB, more than 4 GB data. And the next one, we have to write special programs to answer the questions a user may want to ask about the data. If you have some queries like the person's particular number, particular date of birth to particular date of birth, we want the data about the persons which are from particular date to particular date. So that we have to write each program for each type of method or each type of query we want to ask. This increased complexity because of the large volume of data. Next one is data inconsistency. The data inconsistency means data may be like it maintains duplicates in files. We can maintain duplicates and anyone can access the data easily. Now, restoring must be done before the system crashes. This is very important to check. If we have a large amount of data, the system may crash sometime. Before the system crash, we have to restore the data in some other consistent state, or else we lose all the data. For this, operating system provides only a password security for security. This is not enough or flexible to enforce security policies in which different users have permissions to access different subsets of data. Let us see. Now, we have seen the drawbacks of file systems, right? Now, let us know about DBS and advantages of DBS and how it overcomes these file systems. DBMS is a piece of software to make the earlier task easier. By storing data in DBMS rather than files, we can use futures better than in data easily, better to get data easily. Let us see the advantages of DBMS. The first one is data independency. This is the main and most important advantage of DBMS. And next one is controlling data redundancy, data consistency, data integrity and security, efficient data access. Let us see these advantages one by one. Data independency. First, what is data independency? Application programs should not ideally be exposed to details of data representation. As I said earlier before, uh, the data may contains all the information, not only the wanted information, it may contain all the information. So to hide all the data and to view only important data or which we wanted to present, it is nothing but data independency. It provides for this DBMS provides abstract view of the details to hide something which is not unwanted or not necessary. Data integrity and security. One of the primary advantages of using a database management system is its improved data integrity and consistency. A database management system enforces rules and constraints on the data, ensuring that all the data is accurate and consistent. This in this only we can say data consistency also can be achieved by DBMS. Controlling data redundancy means the major issues faced during the process of storing data are inconsistency and redundancy. As I said earlier before, the inconsistency and redundancy means maintaining the duplicates of data. Or some many users can use the data and changes and modifies the data. Inconsistent data may lead to a big loss to an individual or a business model. And the storage capacity is not utilized properly because of the data redundancy. When multiple copies with causes inconsistency, data redundancy and inconsistency can both be significantly decreased by properly designing a database with the help of data management system. And if you say it reduces and controls the data redundancy and data inconsistency, it is nothing but we are achieving data consistency. And that it's like providing the consistent state for data. And for this, we can access by using database management system, we can access the data properly and we can access data efficiently as of we want it. Whatever we want, we can access the particular data from large amounts of data and large amount of volume. Thank you.